What's up, guys? Here we have the Jemco PZ6 box. So I'm just gonna go over my thoughts and everything on the box here after owning it since December. So first off, you have these really nice latches here. Good click to those, really good pressure holding down that lid. So we'll open her up here. You can see made in Canada right there. So right now all I have in here is 2 mud flaps, just to make sure nothing rattles around. You have your clips in the corners. There's one there, one over here, and then there's 2 back here. And that's what holds the box down in your razor box there.
So here's the box plugs that you would use to install the Jemco. You just pull them apart like this, and then you slide this end piece off, and there's your parts that comes with.
Okay, as you can see, box is really sturdy in there. Looks really good. We're gonna show you, gonna fill it up with some different things and show you how much you can hold. So let's go do that. Okay, so as you can see in here, we have a full-size adult helmets on each side, plus this 15-liter cooler right here. And you can still close the lid, and it'll still shut nice, seal. And you also have all this room. You could fit tools and everything, spare belt, all that you might need. So lots of room in here for whatever you might need. You can fit a bunch of socket sets and stuff. So yeah, pretty nice. So this is some of the stuff that I'll normally bring. There's a little bit more, but it would take or cover everything up. So I got a shovel to dig myself out in the winter. I got a hatchet and a handsaw and everything. 1 spare belt, and then also there's a spot for a spare belt. You just stick it up in here.
Yeah, so that works perfect. You just stick the belt right up in there, and it'll keep. Yeah, so that works perfect. You just stick the belt right up in there, and it'll keep all the dust and everything out of it, which is awesome because this just seals up perfect with the seal around the lid here. So yeah, it's got a lot of room for cargo, and yeah, you can basically carry everything, and it's full utilization of the whole back of your razor bed that comes from stock. It uses all stock holes, like the lock and ride holes in your box to mount, and yeah, it's awesome to be able to carry some extra fuel, even though on the lid they gotta suggest that you never carry fuel or other flammable liquids. So we'll call these cooler pockets, but it looks sweet with jerry cans. And yeah, I think you'd probably be okay carrying a bit of fuel. I mean, if you're careful, right? And always have a fire extinguisher. But yeah, so
another problem that the guy who I bought this off said is you'll get mud and water and stuff up on this lip, and it's not sealed. So when you open the lid, it'll come over and into your box. So you just have to make sure you kind of clean above the lid, because it'll slide right off and down in there or straight down the back. So you just have to make sure that's clean, or if water comes in, there's nothing right underneath it that can't get wet. Good. So as you can see, I have full doors and a back window on this. My stereo is right here. I have a power-based speaker, so it's tilted back a bit so I don't hit my head, and as you can see, it gives like a nice slope right off the back. Kind of makes it look like a hatchback sorta. I think it looks really good. It looks a lot better than without it, with just the regular box. So I'm a big fan of the look. So this box also features 2 jerry can or cooler holders in here. But the problem is, so these are a 5-liter jerry can, and as you can see, there's a lot of room all the way around. But yet, if you have a 10 liter, which is the next size up, it's too big. It sticks. It'll fit width-wise, but length-wise, it's too long. It's kind of a problem because I would have liked to carry 20 liters instead of just 10. But I mean, it'll still help you get off the trail, so that's always a good thing. So back here, there's bolts drilled, or holes drilled. I bought this box secondhand, and the guy had these in. So you just put your license plate right there, right on the back of the machine, and yeah, works pretty good. So all in all, this is a great box. It utilizes everything in your bed of your RZR. It looks really good, and well, it is very functional. You can fit a lot of stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Like, subscribe.